Welcome to MyClimateServices.eu. My name is Chris Climate. In this video, I show you how to create an offer in the MyClimateServices Marketplace. The Marketplace serves as a platform for project planners and climate experts. Here you can present proposals for solutions to climate hazards or search for them specifically. In this video, I will show you how to create and present a proposal for a solution. In other words, an offer. To create an offer, you must be logged in with your Clarity account. If you do not have an account yet, I will show you in this video how to create a profile. After you are logged in, you can create an offer. To do so, click on My Account and then Add New Offer. In this example, I will present an online tool with which everyone can create a scientific study about climate hazards in his or her region in a few steps. Of course, completely different solutions can also be considered an offer. For example, a physical product for the containment of floods, or a software visualizing heat islands. In our example, we are talking about a tool that can be used to explore climate hazards and their impacts in cities in Europe. So I've entered the name of my offer here. Under Provider, I can enter companies that have registered on the MyClimateServices Marketplace. You can register your own company in the MyClimateServices Marketplace. In the next step, you select the type of offer that best describes your solution. In our case, that would be Digital Tool. Under Project Phase, you select the phase of a project in which your offer will be most effective. Since our online tool calculates and visualizes climate risks and even provides adaptation options, I will even tick 4 of the 5 possible phases in this case. In the next step, you enter the countries that are important for your offer. In the case of our example, I will consider the partners in Austria, Sweden, Germany, Italy, and Spain. With this, the first step to create your offer is already completed. You click on Save and can describe your project in more detail in the next step. This is important so that your proposed solution, your offer, can be evaluated by project planners and climate experts. The summary briefly outlines your approach and gives a first insight into the offer. The description is a more detailed description of your offer for all of those who are interested in learning more after reading the summary. You have between 3,000 and 3,500 characters to describe your project. At Illustration, you can upload an image. At Attachment, you can upload up to 10 files with further information about your project. In the field Web Link, you can enter a link to your website or project page. Underneath it, you can also enter a description of the page where the link leads to. You can even add multiple pages. The service link gives an indication of the data you use. It consists of a metadata URL and the link to the service itself. You can also add new items here. You save the description and can categorize your project in more detail in the next step. This is important because the MyClimateServices Marketplace matches offers and projects, supply and demand, based on the categorization. Under Sector, you can choose the economic sectors under which your offer can best be categorized. In the case of our online tool for climate-friendly planning, the sectors Information and Communication Technologies, ICT Services, and Public Administration, Information and Communication Technologies fit best. Here you can enter a maximum of 10 keywords that describe your project clearly. The keywords are also used for matchmaking. Already used keywords will appear if you enter the first letters. The EUGL, the European Non-Paper Guidelines for Project Managers, describe the phases in which an offer or project is currently in relation to climate. This ranges from the characterization of climate risks to the implementation of adaptation options. In which phase or phases does your offer provide a possible solution? If you'd like to learn more about the EUGL, click on the video in the upper right-hand corner of this window. Under Hazards, you can enter up to 5 hazards for which your offer provides possible solutions. Here you specify the endangered items your offer deals with. If your offer also contains a concrete adaptation option, you can specify it under Adaptation Options. Very good. Your offer may already be used by other offers or projects. You can then describe these in this step. In our case, the Clarity tool for climate-related planning is already being used by some regions and partners. In order to show these projects, they must first be integrated into the marketplace. I will show you how to do this in the video Create a Project. Once the project is created, you can select it as a reference project and describe it briefly in the text field. With Add Another Item, you can also select several reference projects. You click on Save and you're almost done. In the last step, you can decide whether your offer should already be published for a general public or only for the members of the marketplace. You can also save your offer as a draft and continue working on it later. Your offer is now visible under My Account, My Offers, and can be edited further. In addition, it is now regularly matched with other offers and projects from the MyClimateServices Marketplace. If you select a match, you can find out more about it and contact the project management. It is best to start right away. Become part of one of the most competent networks in the field of climate change solutions in just a few steps, or learn how to create a project in the next video. Subscribe to our channel and stay up to date in the field of climate hazard screening. Thank you very much for your attention. Yours, Chris Climate.